Hey friends, it is Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club, and I wanted to invite you over to check us out on QVC today. We're launching something brand new that I'm so very passionate and very excited about. This is the Pocket Plus. It is a pocket for anywhere at any time when you don't have pockets, when you don't have that place to store things without a bulky fanny pack or purse getting in your way. Men, women, anyone can use it for anything from storing your cell phone, water bottles, medicines. You can store sunscreen, your mask, your keys, all the things that when you're wearing your joggers or your leggings, you don't have pants that have the pockets to hold all the goodies. This is to your rescue. It's a high quality magnet that holds it into place on your pocket or on handlebars for a bike, a stroller, a walker, a wheelchair, for out on the boat, for all the different things. There's 2 pouches in the large, so I have things like my chapstick and concealer and car keys, hand sanitizer, tissues, masks, all of those things stored in here. And in the back, I have money, my ID, wallet, accessories, all of those things. Cell phone goes right into place, and it's hook and loop closure keeps it tight and secure that nothing's going to fall out. And it just easily slips right over your waistband. So when you're on the go, you can just attach it right to you. You're out the door, no problem. Many of you know last week, Nate was in an accident. We unexpectedly ended up in the hospital. And so this ended up being a lifesaver because we attached one of these to his hospital bed and he was able to keep his phone right by him, his ID and all of those things without, in a hospital gown or whatever, being in the way, not being able to get stuff, leaving stuff lay around the room. It was all safe and secure on him. We've used these at Disney, we've used them at the zoo. They're just such a handy little helper to be able to effortlessly keep all the essentials that you need in an easy and convenient location on your body or on something else that would have a bar or a loop that is magnetic. You can even put it around your arm if that is comfortable for you. So that's one way you can also wear it as well. One handy tip that's really, really, really cool is you're able to even use a chalkboard or your refrigerator to store your stuff when you're not using your Pocket Plus. So my husband always does the full, phone, wallet, keys, mask check before he walks out the door. Now he can have everything in one place, grab his Pocket Plus, and he's good to go, and it can go right in the car console when he gets in the car. So it's just really, really convenient, really easy. We're very limited quantities at QVC today. It's brand new today. I can't wait to launch it with Terry Khan. We'll be on around 12:20 today, Eastern Time. I left a link so you can go right over and pick yours up. While quantities are limited, you can pick your color in the large of either the pink, purple, black, or navy. Again, it's limited. And then you'll get an extra medium-sized black one included for free. So, or not really for free, but in the bundle. So you pick your color of the large and you get a black one included. And then these medium ones are great for holding things like water bottles, pill boxes. You can hold your lip gloss. I love using it for even storing my Erin Condren pens or the stuff that I'm doing while I'm crafting. They're just really easy, convenient, high quality nylon, easy care, secure closures, and I think you're gonna love them. So come over and check them out with us at QVC today. I'll see you soon. Bye.